We get it. You want to make sure you're making the right choice. And it's our job to show you just how different we are. It's not just the technical advice and unique solutions that make us different. It's also in the smallest details that we build in our state-of-the-art workshop. Unlike other companies who claim to be made to measure, we truly are bespoke. While others rely on generic parts, we design and manufacture even the smallest components to ensure the perfect fit, function, and finish. In fact, from the moment you choose your perfect style of blinds, our team begins manufacturing every element, from scratch to your exact specifications. From fabric cut with millimeter-perfect precision to custom circuit boards that deliver unparalleled control over your blind's operation. It's the smallest details in here that make the biggest differences out there. And that difference means whether you have a dramatic gable window, a towering floor-to-ceiling arch, or a classic window that simply needs the perfect finishing touch, we'll craft something truly tailored to your space. And because every one of those hundreds of small refinements happens right here in-house, the result is fitted without the price tag you might expect. Specialist blinds, incredible bespoke blinds, custom made and fitted by experts.